This towering 40-foot TKLoop inflatable pumpkin instantly becomes the focal point of any yard, creating a dramatic Halloween centerpiece that neighbors and trick-or-treaters notice from down the street. The built-in blower inflates the decoration in roughly a minute, so setup is quick and low effort even if you are doing it alone before a party. Heavy-duty, water-resistant polyester fabric and reinforced stitching give the pumpkin enough toughness to handle wind, light rain, and repeated holiday use without feeling flimsy. Included ropes, ground stakes, and a storage bag make it straightforward to anchor securely and pack away neatly once the season is over. The oversized design works especially well for large front lawns, school or church events, and community gatherings where you want a bold but family-friendly Halloween display. Clear safety notes about rope placement and collapse when the blower is off help users avoid common hazards, which I appreciate on something this large.